What happens when two black holes collide? Imagine the most powerful collision in the universe. Two massive objects locked in a gravitational dance spiral closer and closer. Their immense gravity warps the fabric of space-time itself. The result? A cosmic event that sends ripples through the universe. Black holes are celestial objects of extreme density. They are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Their gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a place where gravity reigns supreme, a point of no return. Black holes are invisible to telescopes, but their presence can be inferred by their effects on nearby stars and gas. As matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits radiation, creating a bright disk around the black hole. When two black holes approach each other, their gravitational fields interact. They begin to orbit each other, slowly spiraling closer and closer. This orbital dance can last for millions of years. As they draw nearer, their orbital speed increases, causing them to emit gravitational waves. Finally, in a cataclysmic event, the two black holes merge. But, unlike the explosive death of stars, this merger is relatively silent. No bright flash of light, no shockwaves. Instead, the energy is released in the form of gravitational waves. Gravitational waves are disturbances in the fabric of spacetime. They are produced by the acceleration of massive objects, such as black holes or neutron stars. Imagine throwing a stone into a pond. The stone creates ripples that spread outward. These waves travel at the speed of light, carrying information about the objects that created them. In 2015, scientists made the first direct detection of gravitational waves, confirming a major prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity.